everyone. Today is October 10th, and as usual, I am more than happy to create this video lesson for you. Today, I sent to you the new, sorry, somebody was just staring into my house, walking by. I sent to you the new page in the Hand into Jazz book, which is page 14, and I'm going to sight read it for you. Here we combine basic jazz and swing accents. So the basic jazz accents are on beats 2 and 4. The swing accents are the and of 1, the and of 2, and the and of 3. Okay, so just to review that. If I'm playing a piece, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. A lot of music is accented on 2 and 4. Okay. Now, what do I mean by, you may know this already, what do I mean by the and of 1 and the and of 2 and the and of 3? I just mean when you're going through, when you're counting out the beats of a measure in a 4/4 time, which I'm seeing right here in this music, I would count, if I were to count the eighth notes, I would count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so that each of those eighth note babies, so to speak, has a name, right? Everybody has to be named. Everybody is either a number or the word and. One, the beat 1 has an and, right? You could just say 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's a baby that you're ignoring, right? There's that eighth note, the second part of every beat that you'd be ignoring. When I choose to count it, I can say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here we combine the 2 by going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. So really what they mean is that they'd like one measure of the normal 2 and 4 accents, and then followed immediately by a measure of the swing accents, which is accenting the and of every beat. Let me do that combo again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time. 1. Sorry, that was too hard. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, let's see if I can sight read this. I'm going to do my best to do those accents, but you know me, I got to sight read the note value pitches first. Oh my goodness. And then I don't even have a left hand. Huh. It's all right hand here. Weird. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now that I'm only right hand, I can't do the accents. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I know I'm coming down hard on those accents, but that's so that you can hear them. essentially doing almost exactly the same pattern over and over. Now, what I didn't do was swing in general. Long, short, long, short, long. Let me try to do that again. Sorry. Sorry. F. So again, you're going to do it a little more elegantly than I did it. Like not so hard. I mean, I accented it, but maybe too much. But yeah, that's where it goes. So they're talking about combining the accents. Right. What they mean by combining is one measure of normal 2 and 4 accenting beats 2 and 4, and then the ands, and then a measure followed by a measure of accenting the ands of the first 3 beats. Okay. So that in itself is a rhythm, right? To do one and then the other, and then go back one and then the other, and that kind of thing. And it's all about acclimating yourself to this, right? All about getting used to it, having fun with it, using it, right? Being able to recognize it when you see it in music, right? And going, oh, these accents are a certain pattern. They're in a certain pattern. Yeah, 2, 4. Oh, and then there are a bunch more in the next one, and then you won't have to think so much about the ands and the twos and the counting. You'll just go, oh, it's that rhythmic pattern that I learned that one time. I see it now. Just like we look at certain intervals now, right? And we go, oh, yeah, it's that interval. I know that interval. Sure. Right. That's so great. So have fun with this. Like I said, no left hand, which is kind of nice. You can really hone in and practice those rhythmic patterns and that just all the accents and where they are and stuff. I got to tell you, just I had to remind myself in the middle of it from a technical point of view. With those accents, remember your technique. Nice heavy arm, not slamming the key with the strength of your wrist, but coming down with the weight of your entire arm and then going from there. So have fun. Questions, email me anytime. You're great about that. Send me a recording, send me text. I'll see you next week.